Show them how mad you get when you get
Stop!
tickled. Show them how mad you get when you get tickled, babe, huh?
Stop! So inside of their closet is going to be 5 feet wide, which gives plenty of space for her mattress to go on top on the loft, and plenty of space for the other 2 beds to come out on this floor.
I've got a plumber's crack in your video, do I?
No.
Electrician's cracks are way better than plumber's cracks. Always wear proper safety equipment, eye protection, ear protection, and gloves.
Okay.
Only idiots don't wear proper safety protection.
Even if I try to leave.
Hi guys, Jill here, coming at you from my girl's bedroom. Me and my mom are actually finally gonna get started in here today. It's a hot day. It's gonna be 91 here today where we live. So, whew, it's already hot. It's only like 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so let me show you what we have going on. So right now we only have the base plate down. We have to figure out the measurements and how long to cut it, because what we have to keep in mind is there's gonna be a 2x6 running this way, 3 2x4s stacked on top of this side piece. So we have to measure that perfectly, and then we get the measurement for this. And we
You still make me.
Okay, so right here, what we're doing is just putting up a temporary 2x6 so that we know what we need to measure up to without the 2x6 header actually being there.
If you can move on, don't you think we've had enough of the drama you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same.
Your blade's going?
Okay, so yeah, I can shave off one little, see that?
So go to the...
Oh wait, huh, I don't know. Put it on right there, put it on right there.
Over to the...
Okay, it's just a hair longer than 84.
So...
What are you doing? No, no, no!
'Cause I've loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same. And I'm waiting for a lifetime. So you say you wanna change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart you're holding back again. And I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I've loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same. 'Cause I've loved you for a lifetime.
cut to length,
Okay.
and then leveling it, making a mark over there so that we know we gotta set it on here, go all the way over and level it, and then we know where our measurement is for the next 2x4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wow. Okay.
All right, up you go. Okay, gonna work this time?
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay.
So now, oh, we need 2 ladders.
For you to leave the past
Little Miss Aubrey came in to help us, and she was the best helper ever. She looked up at me and said, "Mama, your nail polish is so pretty."
always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. When I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find.
Okay. Tight. Woo! Woo!
Now delete.
Are you eating insulation?
Oh man, don't eat that.
No, no.
Bad.
No, no.
Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking.
Be able to see it? Perfect? Oh my gosh. Lord?
Yep. Okay, now there's a level up there.
Okay.
To a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
Hey guys. Okay, so it's the day after my mom and I got that wall framed. Today I'm going to be cleaning up all the sawdust and everything.
Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing. 'Cause you gave me you keep me going back to those days,
clean room always is cause for a dance party. Hi, what you doing?
Almost got you.
What you doing in here?
What you doing? Or what am I doing?
What you doing?
I thought you were a teacher.
What you doing?
Is that you're teaching our kids to speak?
What you doing?
I'm fixing your mistakes.
That's what I was waiting for.
And I'm finishing your project. You started a little bit of it, and I'll do the rest.
You said you were gonna do the rest.
No,
You said you were gonna do those parts.
the top. You can do all the plywood.
Yeah.
So the space down here is what the spacing you want?
Yep.
Oh, look, I kind of wash my hands. Ain't gonna rain no more.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
Ben, you know that country song that goes, you say it best,
When you say nothing at all.
you build it best.
You don't feel good at all.
Nailed it!
Thanks, babe.
I'm kidding, babe.
How do you
Hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie.
Progress! Whoop, 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 whoop! Whoop, 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 whoop!
When I think about
Whoop, 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 whoop! Whoop, 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 whoop!
You're making that into a video. You're gonna share that.
Whoop, 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 whoop! Whoop, 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 whoop!
Not all on the side, like hold it over like 3 inches. We have to take
Whoop, 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 whoop!
and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone.
Alright, so we've got all of these boards going across. Woo! Now what? What's the next step? The slats? Yay! Seriously? You do that though? Your things aren't even locked.
You're all amazed by our skills and stuff. You impressed, babe?
So impressed.
Habum de la caca.
Stop! 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 Stop!
YouTubers, I'm magic.
Stop!